The United States on Saturday announced a new $988 million security assistance package for Ukraine as Washington races to provide aid to Kyiv before President-elect Donald Trump takes office. It nearly halves the available $2.21 billion remaining in Ukraine Security Assistance Initiative as the Biden administration works to commit to buying weapons from industry rather than pull from the U.S. weapons stocks. It follows a $725 million package announced on Monday that included a second tranche of landmines as well as anti-air and anti-armor weapons. Donald Trump met in Paris earlier on Saturday with Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky, who said any resolution of the war with Russia should be a just settlement that includes strong security guarantees for Ukraine. The meeting was of huge importance to Zelensky, given fears in Kyiv that Trump may urge Ukraine to make concessions to Moscow. U.S. Defense Secretary Lloyd Austin on Saturday warned that failure to continue opposing Russia's actions would have dire consequences.
And that Putin's assault on Ukraine is a warning. As I said in Kyiv in October, we are seeing a sneak preview of a world built by tyrants and thugs. A chaotic world, violent world, carved into spheres of influence. A world where bullies trample their smaller neighbors, in a world where aggressors force free people to live in fear. So we can continue to stand up to the Kremlin, or we can let Putin have his way and condemn our children and grandchildren to live in a world of chaos and conflict. This administration has made its choice, and so has a bipartisan coalition in Congress. The next administration must make its own choice. But from this library, from this podium, I am confident that President Reagan would have stood on the side of Ukraine, American security, and human freedom.